You know the thing already. Lala than SK. I want to big up the whole Waterhouse, TG Jungle, Portmore. You don't know, all of UK, England. My forest and farmers, big up my mother and my father. You see me? And a strong woman there beside me. I went on my corner. And all the incident took face me in the last couple of weeks. Really out here. Run the rhythm, DJ. Yo, $1 million, how it go? Portmore. Chop chop. Full of night like we are Jordan. 2020, everybody want $1 million of the color one, me have the blue one. See, them a call me the Frank Morgan. Suave going tall man. Foreign girl them love yard man. Tia say she have a man but she still a pre man. Oh, if I know me a O'Neal Morgan. Me not fi ask me just do it. Latest night come here rock them in the street. Jordan, them all a wonder we do it. Got them in every color, fresh every beat. Star them, Louis V them no cheap. Like me live a night town and me shopping every week. If me come across your girl, bro, brushing my chin. And I fall in love, do this thing. I'm not joking, me full of night like me a Jordan. 2020, everybody want $1 million of the color one, me have the blue one. See, them a call me the Frank Morgan. Suave going tall man. Foreign girl, them love yard man. Tia say she have a man, but she still a pray man. Oh, if I know me a O'Neal Morgan. Roll out fresher than me new Nikes. Shabalala, me hear the girl, them a scream. Girl a call me them chocolate ice cream. I tell say that girl period them know with me. Girl your office smell fresh like the London breeze. Rough in a me new Nikes. Bad boy t-shirt and a rib skinny jeans. Cologne a kick, a $1 million a freeze. I no joke thing, me full of night like me a Jordan. 2020, everybody want $1 million of the.
Hey, this is the brother we say full of night like him a Jordan, you know, but me don't know where him get that mixture there from. But watch ya, you know it go already, you know. Our general, Lala Dan is here, SK. But hey, what kind of night that you have on?
Bad artist Lala Dan. You know the thing go full of night like we name Jordan. You know, what's the rhythm there? I'm a DJ now going. You see me I deal with. Anyway, my general, mighty full performance. You see me I deal me here, drop off I rhythm 1 and 2 times, but you hold it back. One at a time I see the fire phone and move kinda shaky in your hand, but I see you hold it back firm. But what me have to say to you is don't make nobody drain your energy, don't make nobody stop your focus. You overs when me a deal, we live a horror life. The harder them pull back the horror, the harder it fire. You overs when me a deal, meaning the more them fight, the stronger we get. So you see any fight where you get, you use it as a stepping stone. You overs when me a deal with always use negativity for motivate you, my God. Always pre-positive. You see me I deal with, no make none of them feel like them can drain your energy. Anytime you see burn them, you go harder. You overs when me a deal with, hold them Laladan.
Alright, Tash, what you have to say about Laladan performers? The man saying full of night like Jordan, you know. Well excited.
Word. I have a word for you. Whatever the situation is, take the message out of the mess. You understand me? And that is what you do. You don't make it drain the energy. You're full of vibe. You do your thing like what Jordan. I understand the part about you're good. You do your thing. You're all a vibe. You understand?
Alright, so you hear from the judges, my youth, yeah, bring it, you know what I mean? Hopefully to see another competition, because you don't know a thing. Laladan, big up yourself.